Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we back on these wings, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious, extra crispy vinegar and salt wings. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken wings. These two dishes, we have black pepper, we have baking powder here. These two dishes, kosher salt, some sugar, olive oil. We have some cold butter right here cut into really small cubes, apple cider vinegar, garlic powder, and we have some white distilled vinegar there. That's all you need. Let's get to it. We're gonna start off by preparing our chicken, add a little olive oil here, along with our kosher salt, our black pepper, and our baking powder. And we're just gonna get at a quick mix like this, get it all combined. And that's what we have. We're gonna sit that aside and let's continue. And now we're gonna start preparing our vinegar and salt sauce. We're gonna add our white vinegar here, along with our apple cider vinegar, our black pepper, our sugar, garlic powder, and our kosher salt. We're gonna get this mixed in like this. And we're gonna turn this down to a simmer. And we're gonna let this simmer for about 2 minutes until the mixture reduces by half. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good right here. We're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna remove our pan, head back over to our cutting board, and we're gonna continue. All right, so next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that butter that we cut into cubes. We're gonna add that to our mixture, like this. And we're gonna whisk that around there just like this until all that butter melts. Just like that. Now we're just gonna bring over empty dish like this, and we're going to pour it in here, and we're gonna reserve this until our wings are done. Now we're at our air fryer. We've already preheated. It says add food, so we're gonna lift that baby up. I like to always hit it with a little cooking spray. I'm gonna add our chicken pieces here. Guys, this is my Chef Favor air fryer, one of my favorite air fryers, because of the spacing, and I got a link in the video description for this air fryer. All right, so when we close the lid, we're gonna cook these for 20 to 22 minutes, flipping them over midway through the cooking process, all right? All right, so we're halfway in. We're gonna go ahead and lift our veil. We're gonna get these babies turned over. So now we're gonna close our lid. We're gonna let them cook for the remaining 10 minutes. Maybe I may do it a little bit longer, maybe extra 2 minutes, in order to get that desired crispiness that I like. So let's finish it off. All right, guys, so it looks like we are good. Take a look at what we have there. Just like I like them, crispy like that. All right, so let's go ahead and head over to our cutting board so we get these babies sauced up. All right, so we're gonna add our chicken to our bowl, get them sauced up. Now we're gonna add our sauce. Just like that. And we're just gonna do a little shaky bake it like this. Guys, take a look at that. All righty. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these babies plated up, head to quality control. And there you have it, guys. Vinegar and salt chicken wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. So yep, it's quality control time. Let's bring these wings. Oh man, look at them wings. Oh man, look at them wings. All right, y'all look at that wing. All right, let's go ahead and make it happen. don't know what to say. Fire. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not a big fan of vinegar and salt. Like, I hated the vinegar and salt chips. But listen, I love vinegar and salt wings. These babies are banging. When I say banging, I mean banging. That flat. Guys, you already know when it comes to these wings, I ain't got to show. I stand on business. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. He just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.